Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPhone and Apple Watch are updated and paired. This avoids compatibility blocks when buying faces. Once done, open the iPhone Watch app and navigate straight to Face Gallery. If the face you want is paid or from a third party, tap the App Store button inside the Watch app. You do this because the Watch app is the only pathway Apple authorizes for installing and purchasing watch faces on your device. You now search for the exact style or brand you want. Type precise keywords, for example, astronomy watch face or a designer name to narrow results quickly. Once you find a candidate, inspect screenshots, read reviews, and confirm whether it uses an in-app purchase model or a one-time price. This matters for future updates. Then tap Buy or Get and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password so Apple can process the purchase and prepare the face for. After purchase, you will see an Add to My Faces option. Tap it, and the face queues for sync. Make sure your watch is nearby and unlocked because the sync happens over Bluetooth/Wi-Fi and may take 10-30 seconds. Once complete, you'll find the new face on your watch and can customize complications. If the install fails, restart both the iPhone and Apple Watch, sign out and back into the App Store if needed. Then repeat the purchase and add steps to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.